Looking to add a splash of Disney magic to your living space? The Disney Little Mermaid woven tapestry throw does exactly that, featuring a stunning movie poster image of Ariel perched gracefully on a rock. Measuring 48 inches wide by 60 inches long, this throw blanket is the perfect size to brighten up any room while keeping you cozy during those chilly evenings. What makes this throw stand out is its detailed woven design and decorative fringes that frame every edge, adding an elegant touch to your decor. Crafted from 100% polyester, it's not only soft but also easy to care for. Simply machine wash cold on a delicate cycle with mild detergent, avoid bleach, and tumble dry gently. Plus, it dries quickly and doesn't require ironing, so maintaining its vibrant colors and quality is hassle-free. I've seen firsthand how a Disney-themed throw can change the feel of a room. Just like the glowing reviews for the Northwest Company's Cinderella live-action woven tapestry throw, which has been praised for its beauty and brightness, this Little Mermaid version brings that same charm and warmth. It's more than just a blanket. It's a statement piece that reflects your love for Disney's timeless stories. If you're a fan of Disney or looking for a unique gift that combines nostalgia with comfort, this woven tapestry throw is worth a look. It's ideal for decorating bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a cozy companion for movie nights. The detailed artwork captures Ariel's enchanting spirit, making it a standout addition to any collection. Ready to bring a touch of Ariel's underwater world into your home? This Little Mermaid woven throw offers both style and practicality, making it a smart choice for Disney enthusiasts. Try it when you're ready to add color, comfort, and a bit of magic to your everyday life.